Hello guys, myself Trendhave Academy. Welcome back to this new video, and this is the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero with me using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 11 and episode 8. So in this video we are going to solve this level, that is level we are going to level 11 basically. So the password, basically the level goal is that the password for next level is stored in the same file, that is data.txt, which contains base 64 encoded data. So here you can see we need to use this command base 64, and there is a helpful reading material, that is Wikipedia page of base 64, which you guys can read for further things like what is this, what was it, how it developed, and everything. You can read it here. As you know what is Wikipedia stands for. So for getting, okay, so let's get the password for this level. So for that we need to log in this, and this is the, oh sorry, not ssh-p, their port number we need to specify, and then we will go ahead. Okay, so ssh-p, then let's make it bigger, and the password we have already saved it here, so we will copy paste this, and boom, we got the login. So the previous password was correct. And if we see, yes, there is a data.txt file. Let's see it. Is it in encoded format or decoded? So here we can see this is in okay, this is in encoded format. It's base 64, as the question says that this is base 64 encoded data. So for basically for this, for decoding, let's use this command, that is base 64. But let's see some help section. If we will write base 64 dash dash help, then it will give some flags, the arguments also. So we will use dash d for decoding the data, and dash I for ignoring garbage. Here garbage value means that when it will decode this, they will ignore the non-alphabet characters. And there is another flag also, that is dash w, that will wrap encoded lines after colons characters. And there are two more flags, that is version, help and version, and I just use the help one. So let's go ahead in this, and let's first, since we already know what is inside the text file, so we can go ahead with this command, that is base 64. There was no space, but I have basically a muscle memory that always gives a space, so don't worry for that. So base 64, then we will give the flag, that is dash d, and the text file data.txt. And boom, we got the password for the next level. So we will just copy it and we will paste it here, so that everything will be saved. Since I already have cracked this level, so I already have the password. So this was all in this video. I know you guys are learning. I hope you guys are getting good stuff from me. And so let's see you guys in the upcoming next level. Till then, bye bye, regards, Trendhave Academy, and be safe and be ethical.